L- Let an be a sequence such that a1 is equals to 1, an plus 1 is equals to 2an plus 3 by 4. This is the define of the sequence. How to a sequence define? We have to show only an is a monotonic increasing and bounded above. Okay. Now, how to say that? Firstly, an is a monotonic increasing. An plus 1 which is equals to 2an plus 3 by 4. This is the define of the sequence. So, when you take 2an upon 4, then it is 2 cancel out 4, then it is an upon 2 plus 3 by 4, which is always, this term is always greater than or equals to an, right? So this gives you an plus 1 is greater than or equals to an. So this gives you what it gives, an plus 1 which is greater than or equals to an. So an is a monotonic increasing sequence. Now take an upon 2 plus 3 by 4. This is the define. What is the define? This is the define of this sequence. This is the define which is greater than or equals to an. So when you take an is by 2 is left right side, then 3 by 4 is greater, 3 by 2 is greater than or equals to an. Now we have to prove that it is a bounded sequence, right? We should prove that it is a bounded. So how do you prove that it is bounded or not? So a1 is firstly an is greater than or equals to 3 by 2 is greater than to an, then a1 is also is less than equals to 3 by 2. An, if an is less than equals to 3 by 2, we have to only prove that an plus 1, if it is bounded by 3 by 2, then whole the sequence is bounded by, because of n term is bounded by 3 by 2, one first term is bounded by 3 by 2, n plus 1 term is bounded by 3 by 2, then 3 by 2 is the bound of this sequence. Okay, now we have to prove that an plus 1, what is the value of an plus 1, which is this an by 2 plus 3 by 4. After solving this 3 by 4, put the value of an, 3 by 2 is less than equals to 1 by 4, so 3 by 4, 3 by 2. This makes an is bounded by, if an plus 1 is also bounded by 3 by 2, then an and an is also bounded by 3 by 2, then 3 by 2 is a bound. So an is a bounded sequence. As we know that sequence is monotonic and bounded, then it is convergence. So the sequence is convergent. When you take it is a convergent sequence, to find out the limit. How to find out the limit? Limit of an is equals to limit of an tending to infinity n plus 1 is equals to a. Okay, then put it a. After solving this, the limit of this is a is equals to 3 by 2. That is the answer.